Do you know that there is a thing that some people can do and some people, other people can't do? For example, I'm about to show you something that I always thought anyone can do, but it turns out it's not really like this. And this is this thing with the tongue. When you make like you roll, see, noisy here. You roll the tongue, you make like something like a roll with the tongue. And this is the thing. So you make like this with the tongue. Can you make this thing with your tongue? I'm not sure if you can do it, but you might not be able to do it. Some people just can't do this. Seems very simple when you know how to do it. It's not like I know how to do it. It just happens that I can do it, and I can't explain. I don't even understand why not everyone can do this. It should be very easy. Something like this. Do you know that some people can do some things and some other people can't do those things? Like this, for example. Some people can do this, but other people can't. So this is interesting how some people can do things and some other can't do. For example, some people can move their ears. I can't do that, and a lot of other things. So this is really interesting to see. You can do some things that others can't do. If you can do some things that others can't do, write in the comment section below. There is some grill zone here. So that's it. Hopefully this is some fun fact you learn. Hopefully this is some fun fact you learn. And I'm gonna get something to eat, I think, right now. I just ordered something to eat. In 15 minutes it's gonna be ready. I just ordered something to eat. In 15 minutes it's gonna be ready. You can see how tasty the souvlaki is. That's all. It's a lot of things you might be able to do, and I have a feeling that every day someone finds out that they can do something, or there is something about them so unique that they had no idea and they thought it's normal, everyone does the same. For me, this thing was today, and actually it wasn't today, it was a few days ago, but I thought I would make this video also to share this new discovery with you. Check some things you might be able to do, or you might be able to see, like there is color blindness. This is a problem, but some people actually have this some people have this thing where you can see colors. Some people can see colors when they hear music or sounds. That's really interesting. Synesthesia, I think it's called, or something like this. But okay, that could be not so easy to live with, but doing this is nothing harmful, and it's actually a bit fun. Yeah, let me know what special things you found out recently that you can do, and which one was it? Was it something about something you see or hear, or something you can do? Like move one ear and not the other ear, something like this. I'm gonna get my food, hopefully right now. In 15 minutes it's gonna be ready. This is really an improvised vlog. Hope you like it and I would like to do more like this. If it's interesting, write in the comment section below what things you want to see on this channel in general, and if there was something that helped you other than the noise here, also let me know. It's really helpful to know that it actually all this is not for nothing, and some people actually get some kind of usefulness, maybe not from this video but from the other ones. Thanks for watching. Okay, let's check the food.